Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, working on this Marx 666. I've had this thing forever. Anyway, going through the parts box, pulling out parts I could use to try to repair the smoke unit in this. You can see this thing is in, it was fairly rough condition. It was one of those $10 666s from eBay. Just got the motor put back in. Haven't even replaced the screw. I just got one screw in it. Anyway, just did a replacement on that smoke generator to see if it's going to work. So a Marx 666, hopefully repaired. Let's see if this will smoke. E unit is sticking. Sure is. There we go. All right, it appears to be smoking. Wow. It's actually smoking really well. Smoke does not show up in video very well. But it is definitely smoking, no doubt. Anyway, I pulled this smoke generator, pulled it out of the parts box, and just swapped it onto this motor. And as you see, it's actually smoking quite well. That being a relative term, of course. Nothing like a modern locomotive smokes, but considering this is nothing but a little flapper bellow with an heating coil, that's 4 drops of mineral oil. So that's actually smoking quite well. Just wish there was a way to make it show up better on video. It just does not show up very well. But definitely working. So it was worth the time it took to do this. Anyway, I just swapped out one smoke generator for another, basically. Oh dear. It's definitely smoking. This stuff really bothers my lungs. So I don't run smoke generators very often. Anyway, I just wanted to see if the smoke generator would work. Obviously it does. It's actually smoking pretty well. So anyway, just an experiment. Wanted to do a video to document it. I've had that smoke generator, I got another one in fact, in the bottom of the parts box for probably 2 years. But that's working quite well. Anyway, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.